Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Best Home Remedies. Today I'm sharing a treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is a chronic inflammatory disorder that can affect more than just your joints. In some people, the condition can damage a wide variety of body systems, including the skin, eyes, lungs, heart, and blood vessels. Rheumatoid arthritis occurs when your immune system mistakenly attacks your own body's tissue. Rheumatoid arthritis occurs when your immune system attacks the synovium, the lining of the membranes that surrounded your joints. The resulting inflammation thickens the synovium, which can eventually destroy the cartilage and bone within the joint. The tendons and ligaments that hold the joints together weakens and stretch. Gradually, the joint loses its shape and alignments. Signs and symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis may include tender, warm, swollen joints, joint stiffness that is usually worse in the mornings and after inactivity, fatigue, fever, and loss of appetite. Now come to the treatment, which is truly tried and tested remedy. To prepare it, you will need 1 whole dry bale fruit, semolina 250 gram, clarified butter for frying as required, sugar as per taste. If you are diabetic, do not add sugar. Method: add 5 to 6 tablespoons of clarified butter and 250 gram of semolina in a saucepan. Fry semolina until its color turns to golden. Add in powdered sugar to the fried semolina. Mix well. Turn off the flame. Let it cool. Now grind dry bale fruit to make fine powder. You can buy in powder form this fruit from Pansar shop. Mix it to the prepared semolina. Save this mixture in a glass jar. Use 1 tablespoon daily before going to sleep. Keep using until you get a complete cure. This remedy works, but keep some patience to get complete results. I hope you will get best results. Thanks for watching.